Hello, everyone. My name is Carmen Scoggins, and I am here today to talk to you about a wonderful tool that hopefully you will find useful when we're talking about the interpretive mode. Now, this is just an example of something we might do, so this is not perfect. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so this tool that I'm going to mention is not a tool that we featured in the book, but these are extra little snippets that hopefully teachers will watch when they see the QR code. So I'm going to talk about the tool Diffit. It looks like this. It's very simple. It's not very flashy. It is an AI tool. And I am not an expert with AI, so hopefully you'll find this very teacher friendly. So I'm going to take, we're talking about the interpretive mode, right? And we know that sometimes we find these amazing, authentic resources. And we know that the old adage is to change the change the task, not the text. But sometimes we want to give our students access to something that might be a little bit above their level. And so my level, this might be something I would share with my level 3 students about sustainability. And this is a unit that we do. And they're good and they can understand a lot. But if I want to do a little bit more, with a richer text, then I might level it down just a little bit. So I'm going to take this article, this authentic resource that I found, and I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go to Diffit and I'm going to show you how easy this is going to be. So it says article or link, and I'm going to paste it in here. Now, right here is where you can see that I have some options. I'm leaving the language as the language that my students are learning, but I'm going to, instead of them, they're mostly like sophomores, juniors, and seniors, I'm going to bring the level down to maybe 6th or 7th grade. Not to dumb it down, but just to make it a little bit more accessible for them. So I'm going to choose 7th grade, generate resources, and then you're going to watch the magic happen. It takes 2 seconds, literally, and I didn't have to do anything. So Diffit is going to differentiate, if you will, provide some comprehensible input, some questions for them. They might ask students to illustrate some vocabulary. They're going to give just a much more condensed version in language that students should be able to understand. So notice, here's the article. There's a summary. I've got some key vocab words, multiple choice questions, short answer, and open-ended prompts. And then on the side, I've got other options I can choose: reading with discussions, 3-2-1 learning reflection, annotations. And this is exactly what we were talking about in the book, just making these authentic text more accessible for our language learners at any level. And so I hope you see this as a great tool for the interpretive mode, reading, listening. It'll do it all. So good luck and keep us posted with how it goes.